Alright, in this video we're going to be repairing the cuffs on a snowsuit. So I've already done one already, just to make sure I had the process down. So we got 20 inches of 3-inch wide nylon webbing, and then a couple inches of 1.5. That's going to cover up our seam here. Okay, so we need to find the back. And the back's right here. These have a kick patch. It's reinforced on the inside of the leg. And we can see all the damage happens here right in the back. So we take our webbing. We take our nice cylinder arm sewing machine, cylinder bed sewing machine. Come on up here, Snowsuit. We're going to say right here is dead center of the back. Okay, so we go like this. Line it up. First couple of stitches by hand. Alright, and away we go. Just double check. And we're looking to keep a consistent 1/2 inch, 12 millimeters, something like that right there. So unlike doing a chalk bag or a bag, we're going to fight this snowsuit all the way around. So we will need to reposition. Probably. We're all in frame here, eh? Yeah. Customer got this snowsuit for $10. I'd say they did pretty well. But yeah, no tailor shop's gonna have a sewing machine like this. That's for sure. This is not their cup of tea. This machine is a clone of a Juki 1342. This particular machine's made by a company called Eagle. It's made in Taiwan, I think. All the components are to the same dimensions, more or less, as a Juki. Oh, we came off on the inside. That's not good. We're going to need to do another round. Interesting. Okay. We got some excess here. Okay, in the sin bin. I'll just clip some threads here. Okay, so we came off on the inside, which sucks. So we're just gonna do another round here. A little lower. One of the products of doing this by hand is being sort of finicky. But the more stitches you add, the stronger it is. Alright. And this is a functional repair. We lost our lighter. Alright, so now this piece is going to get sent inside. We're going to tuck it under. First we got to cut it off. Here, let's say. The edge so we don't get freeze. Good. Come on. There we go. Kind of big. Not really domestic sewing machine territory at all. So one of the nice things about this machine is I can set the alternating foot step height quickly through this dial on the top. I have it set at the max now because obviously we're climbing over some pretty thick stuff. Alright. Okay, and then to add a bit of structure and to make it look pretty, we'll flip down our flip down edge guide here, and we're going to run a line of stitches along the bottom. Ooh, that didn't sound good. What's going on down here? Oh, we got a rat's nest. Awesome. Still learning the ins and outs of this machine. So that could be because I didn't provide enough tension before taking off. Alright, let's do this again. Thread through here, holding them. And wheel a couple, and there we go. So this rolling edge guide's new. It's pretty nice. Useful for belts, making belts, type of stuff. It's got a walking foot, but that walking foot's only on the top. It's not on the bottom. This is a machine you definitely need to be careful of. It will sew right through your finger. All right. This up here. Okay, and there's two fully reinforced cuffs.